Welcome everyone! Today we're going to be using Sha Cha sauce to stir fry baby squid. Sha Cha actually has a really nice flavor and a little bit of a spice to it. The first thing I'm going to do is go outside and harvest some fresh green onion from my garden. Now the reason I like planting green onion is that it's really easy to care for. All it really needs is some water, some sunlight, and a little bit of fertilizer. And you can harvest them over and over again. And look at these, they're so nice, lush and green. If you're using frozen baby squid, you're going to need to thaw it out, rinse and wash and drain it. Now, when you're washing it, you need to remove any hard pieces that you find. They feel kind of like plasticky along the body, and as well as any eyes or teeth that you find in the head of the baby squid. And then you're going to cut your green onion into smaller pieces and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to wok on high heat. And then add your minced garlic and saute for 5 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of Sha Cha sauce and saute for 5 seconds. Add your baby squid and saute for 10 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine and saute for 5 seconds. Add the green onion and saute for 5 seconds. Turn the heat off and add cornstarch slurry and saute until the sauce thickens up. To make cornstarch slurry, it's always a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you're using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, you're adding 1 tablespoon of water. Make sure that you plate it after it thickens up, as you do not want to overcook your squid. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.